And so one of the things that's great about tropicals is that you can manipulate them. So that wasn't in that shape. So you can, with the warmth of your hand and just twisting them around, you can manipulate them into different shapes and forms, and you can get some really lovely curves from them and do that type of thing. And you can do it with the cordelines or pretty much any of the aspidistra, any of them. Oops, but don't snap them like I just did. And so how you do that is just by warming, it's like the back, the spine there, and just from the warmth of your hand, it's like giving them a little massage, make them quite pliable and bendy, and you can get them into various different shapes. Okay, it doesn't hurt them unless you are impatient like I was and you accidentally snap it.
Will it stay like that? Like if you put that in the...
Yep. Yeah. So you can do that. Now you'll see some florists like to grab a stapler and staple them. That's how I feel about it, because you can see the staple and it just, it doesn't look good. But if you want to get that full curve, there is another way that you can do it. And some people don't like this either, but you make a nice sharp sort of spear at one end, and then you can pierce it through the leaf. Now you need to do it not too high because it can split the whole thing. Didn't get my spear quite sharp enough. There we go. Like so. Okay. And then that can go in like that. Okay. And then when I put something else in, it's going to hold that in place.